Hello children, good morning to all. This is class 9th maths class. In the previous class we have completed chapter 4 expansion till exercise 4D. Today we are going to start 4E, exercise 4E. Before starting this exercise, let us see some identities. First identity is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c equals to x cube plus a plus b plus c bracket close x square plus ab plus bc plus ca bracket close into x plus abc. Second identity is a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square bracket close. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b bracket close bracket open a square plus ab plus b square bracket close. Now fourth identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c bracket close. Again bracket open a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. These are the identities. There are four identities for this exercise 4E. We will apply this identity. Now let us see the first question of this exercise. Simplify first part, x plus 6 into x plus 4 into x minus 2. We will apply the same first identity, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c bracket close into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Here x is equal to x, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 2. We will take it here. Now we will put it their value. X plus 6, x plus 4 into x minus 2 equals to x cube plus 6 plus 4 plus, in place of c we will put it minus 2 bracket close x square plus ab 6 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2 because c is minus 2 plus minus 2 into 6 bracket close x plus 6 into 4 into minus 2. Now x cube 6 plus 4 10 minus 2 x square minus 6 into 4 24 4 into 2 minus plus minus minus 8 minus 12 x plus into minus minus 48. So x cube plus 8x square 10 minus 2 8 8x square plus 24 minus 8 minus 12 minus 20 24 minus 20 equals to 4x minus 48. This will be our answer. Next question is question number 2. 3x minus 5x into 9x square plus 15 plus 25 by x square. We'll apply this identity. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here a equals to 3x, b equals to 5x. So let us put it their value. In place of a we will write down 3x cube plus minus 5x power cube equals to 3x minus 5 upon x bracket close, again bracket open, 3x square plus 3 into x into 5 by x plus 5 by x whole square. Now 3x cube means 27x cube minus 5 cube means 125, x cube means x cube equals to 3x minus 5 by x. This x will cancel out. 3x square means 9x square plus 5 3s are 15 plus 5 square 25x x square. This is given in the question. So this is equal to this much. Therefore 27x cube minus 125 upon x cube will be our answer. Now we'll see the next question number 4. Simplify x square minus y square to the power whole cube plus y square minus z square to the power whole cube plus z square minus x square power whole cube upon x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube. We know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. Dear student, if you add all these number x square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square, will get it to 0. So in this equation, this is equal to 0. X square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus y square to the power whole cube plus y square minus z square to the power whole cube plus z square minus x square power cube is equal to 3abc, means x square minus y square into y square minus z square into z square minus x square. This will be equation 1. Take it as a equation 1. And x minus y in denominator, x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x is also equal to 0. Therefore, we can say x minus y cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube is equal to 3abc, means 3 into x minus y into y minus x into z minus x. This is second equation. Now putting the value of equation 1 and 2 in the given equation in this question. So this is equal to what? Equation 1 means 3x square minus y square bracket close, y square minus z square bracket close, z square minus x square upon, in the denominator the value of this one is, we will take it from the equation 2, 3 into x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Now 3 will cancel out. Now x minus y, y minus z and z minus x will cancel out from here. So what will be remaining? The remaining number will be our answer, x plus y plus z and z plus x. This will be our answer. Now next question is question number 5. Evaluate 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 upon 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Dear students, let 1.2 be x. Let us assume that 1.2 be x and 0.3 be y. Now we'll put it this in the given equation. In given expression, x square in place of 1.2 into 1.2 will write down x square plus xy plus y square upon x cube minus y cube. Now we will write down like this, x square plus xy plus y square upon, what is the identity? A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we'll write down as it is, x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. In place of ab, we will put it xy. So this and this will cancel out here, 1 will remaining. So 1 by x minus y, that is equal to, now we will put it their values in place of x and y, 1 upon x is equal to 1.2 and y is equal to 0.3. That is equal to 1 upon 0.9. After subtracting, you will get it was 0.9. So if you will cancel this decimal, for that we will put it 10 here. So it will be 10 upon 9. When you will divide, you will get it 1 upon 9 in a mixed fraction. This will be our answer. Next question, number 8. If x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, find 1 by x. Let us see. We will put it their values. 1 upon, the value of x is 3 plus 2 root 2. We will write down like this. Multiplying both sides by, dear students, remember one thing. If in the denominator it is given 3 plus 2 root 2, then you have to multiply both in both sides, means numerator and denominator opposite to this sign. It means 3 minus 2 root 2. Or if it is given in the denominator that 3 minus 2 root 2, then you have to multiply both in numerator and denominator by 3 plus 2 root 2. So here it is given plus, so we will write down minus in both sides. So 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. In both sides, numerator and denominator, we will multiply in their opposite sign. So we will get it here 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 square a plus b, a minus b. There is one identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we will write down 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. That will be 2 root 2 square. 2 root 2 square means 2 to ja 4 to ja 8. 8. That is why here I have written 8. So 3 square minus 8, that is equal to, 3 square means 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1. So 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 1. This will be our answer. Now last question is, find first part, a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b, we can write down a plus b whole square. And as we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second part, it is given a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. So here we will see that a plus b into a plus b, that will be a plus b whole square plus into a plus b. So if we will multiply this and this, we will get it, the product of this one, a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab into a plus b. Now let us multiply both this equation. A square into a cube, a square plus into b, a square b. Now we will multiply b square by a, b square into a b square. Again b square into b, b cube. Then we will multiply 2ab into a, 2a square b, plus 2ab into b, 2ab square. Now a cube, b cube, a cube, b cube, plus a square b plus 2a square b, that will be 3a square b. 1a square b plus 2a square b, that is equal to 3a square b. Similarly, 2ab square plus 1ab square, that is equal to 3ab square. This will be our answer. So children, today this much only. We will see next question in the next class. Thank you.